Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So if you guys hear this echo going on, it's because guess what, you guys? We're finally moved into our new home. Finally here. Yay. Oh my goodness. It's been a roller coaster, but finally here. And I wanted to say hi, Mama. She's watching my videos. I know she does. She has a notification on her phone. So, hi, Mama. So, I know she misses having me around, and I miss her too. And, well, anyways, I just wanted to thank everybody for, supporting me still when I was putting on my little videos and everything. Hopefully I will be back. I might not put as much content as I used to. Um, yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of my craft room. I will say it is pretty empty. We are still waiting for our items. They are still in storage, so that may take a few more months. So yeah, so I still have stuff in here. I have stuff that I carried, from my old home to my mom's, and my hauls and everything, and brought them here. So I will still be crafting and hopefully, showing you some content, but like I said, it's not going to be as before. So let me show you guys. Let me introduce you to my craft room, and can't wait for you guys to see. Okay, you guys, so this is my entrance to my craft room, and there you go. There's my sewing machine, and there you go. So when you walk in, that will be the first thing you see. That little cubby was left behind by the previous owner, so it worked out perfectly. I am so in love with it, but I still can't wait to bring my own stuff in here. So let me just show you around the room, and it is pretty empty. And let me move back. So right here against this wall, a day bed can fit in here. That's what we're planning to put. Maybe a futon if we have guests over. They might have to stay here, and sorry, they might have to see all my crafty mess. So anyways, I'm still fighting that. I'm hoping that my craft room is only my craft room, but yeah, I can't do much. So I did have to pull that little cubby back so my cutting mat could fit in there. As you guys could see, that is my recording station, and then I do have my die cutter on the side, and then all I have to do is put it on. My TV is connected. It's not working right now. There's no internet, no cable, so I don't even know why it's connected. So there you go. So as you guys could see, behind that also is behind my cutting machine, which is my big shot, is my paper cutter. And then yesterday I tried to organize all this, so it looks a little messy, but it's my messy organization way. As you guys can see, this right here is my papers. That is a unboxing that I'm going to be putting up if it's not on already. That's more of my, right here it is more of my 6x6, and then there's some dies in there, and then there's my Stamps of Life dies right there. I do have another area where I ended up putting all my dies right now because I don't want to just throw them in here, so they're in another area, which I'll probably show a quick picture of it here. So this is another part of the room. I'm not going to show you the whole room. This is in our living area, but I wanted to show you where all my dies are at. And yes, this is all my dies, you guys. That is a die galore. And then that box right there is a box that Adina from This Mama Loves Disney. Hi, Dina. She gifted me on my birthday last year, and I love that box, and it actually contains a lot of crafting birthday stuff. So that's the only way I remember where all my birthday crafting stickers and all that stuff is at. So yay. And that box right there, that white box, contains more dies, and yeah. And I actually found these. I don't know if I've shown you guys before. I found these at the 99-cent store. One time these were, of course, 99 cents, and I got these little sleeves at Amazon, and then I also got some magnets at Amazon, and I store most of my dies in here, and they do slip off, so it's better to have them standing up. But right now that I'm showing you, they're like slipping off. And here are most of all my dies, and I so love this way of organizing. If I'm looking for something, yes, I do have to flip, but then I also know, like for this one, I know it is mostly gift boxes, gift bags, bows, and basically, yeah, bag toppers, boxes, dies, and all that stuff. So I do have to, once I get all my stuff in, I do have a label maker, and I will be, you know, labeling everything with what they are. I might alter these, don't know yet. Not too fond of this, but I love the idea this way. But yeah, I might end up altering it to something that I might like. Anyway, so right here, let me see, where's my finger? There you go. Right there is my, as you guys can see, my Big Shot, what do you call it? The little plate cutters, or the plate cutters. And then here in this basket is all my stuff like supplies that I'm gonna be using and making stuff on, as well as in this one. On that one, I can't remember what it's in there. Can't remember at this moment. And there's my part of my sewing machine table or little platform. As you guys saw, there is my sewing machine. There is a nice window. The only thing about this actually faces the street. This window faces the street, and if I'm in here, I would like to be peekaboo and be watching who's coming and going, especially if I am waiting for Amazon package or something. So here you go. So let me turn you guys around. There is another little like cubby kind of, I don't know what to call it, like a little area right here. That's probably where my desk is gonna go, because if I put it on here, there's this right here, this what is it, I can't remember, this piece of wood that's gonna probably push it over too much, and it's not gonna look right. So I'm probably gonna put my desk right here. There is my crafty supplies, some of my crafty supplies, and then I don't remember what's in that little basket, and just my little bag. And this is just stuff that I am working on, something I have to mail, that I've been trying to mail since I moved, but I haven't like been moving, so no. So let me show you my little basket. And this was also left by the mover, so I'm assuming the mover was I don't know, maybe, I don't know, she probably did something, I don't know, crafting something. Anyway, so here are all my glues for now. This is a package that I received from Angelica from, how much, oh my gosh, Angelica's Crafter Treats 2017, I believe is her name. Sorry, Angelica, right now I'm like lost. I am loving this Gorilla Glue, you guys. If you guys see it, I do suggest you take advantage of it. And there's just stuff I'm working on. Down here, I have some dies that I am planning on using. I found these, you guys. I found these at Dollar Tree. I was so excited. I bought 6. I used some in my pantry, and I am needing more because I love it. So all I have to do is pull this out, and here you go. You guys see all that extra stuff right there. I'm loving it, and it's able to hold all my dies right here. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And then on the bottom right here is basically all my sewing supplies. Anything that I need to do for sewing, it's down here. And everything up here is my my crafting stuff. So there you go. That's it for now. You guys, if it were up to me and I had this as my crafting room, it's gonna be filled. Yeah, I have so many crafty supplies. It's not even not even funny. It's not until you pack that you realize you have so many crafty supplies. So anyways, this is my crafty room. It is pretty warm in here. I've tried crafting at night, and this is the warmest room of them all. So, oh well, can't complain. I have a room that's, I'm happy about that. So anyways, you guys, thank you, and I do apologize if you guys wish I could show you guys more, but this is it for now. So thank you for joining me. Hopefully you guys stick around with me, and you guys, I'm gonna push out more content, but it's not gonna be maybe a daily. I don't know. It just depends. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So anyways, you guys, if you guys have not been here before, this is your first time coming along, hopefully you guys come and join me in this adventure, because this is going to be an adventure. Yes, I just moved here, and I'm also looking for a job, so yeah. Anyways, so thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.